Well, hi everyone. Welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it is a quick Monday and I wanted to come on. Well, it's a quick one this Monday. I wanted to come on and give a shout out, a big shout out to all you pineapple farmers. Big shout out, special shout out to my cousin Lincoln there in Garlands, St. James. Yes, shout out to you, cuz. Thank you so much for these pineapples. They are so great. They're always sweet. And yes, one of these days we're going to have you on Monday Meds. So yes, we have to take care of our farmers. We have to eat what we grow or eat what we plant and plant what we eat. And we have to eat Jamaica and buy Jamaica. So let's support our farmers. Let us not take them for granted. Let us support them. If they ask you for a certain amount of money, let us give it to them, because farming takes a lot of faith and it takes a lot of patience. You know what it means to be patient? Ask the pineapple farmers, because pineapple takes about 2 years to bear and to give you this fruit about. So listen, it's worth your dollar. All right, so that's why I came on here to say to us today, as we go through the second week of June, I pray that you'll make it count. Have an awesome week, everyone, and God be with you. More pineapples. Yeah.